So welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to download Cash App. The easiest way to download Cash App. It doesn't matter your location, wherever you are, you can get this app with this method I'm going to show you. So Cash App is a financial app that helps you to transfer and receive money across nations. Okay, so this app is mostly in US. So if you're not in US, sometimes it's difficult to just download this app, but with this method I'm going to show you, you can just download this app easily. Okay, so all what you have to do, that if you're not in US, Cash App will not show on your app store or Google Play Store. Okay, so all what you have to do is that you just get a VPN that will help to change your location, okay, to US. Okay, so after that, you just open your any browser, Chrome, and then you search Cash App, as you can see, and you type on send. So you search Cash App and you send. So when it opens to their site, you just see at the top here, you see download. Okay, this one, you just hit on download. Then when you hit it, it will take you straight to your account. Okay, so as you can see, it says that install. Okay, Cash App, and then install. So you just click on install. So after clicking on install, it will take you to Play Store, that is the Google Play Store. I'm using Android, so it will take you there, taking me to Google Play. So and then the Cash App is there. Sometimes it's very difficult to get the Cash App on Google Play Store if you search on that. So the easiest way to get is to just search it on Chrome, and then you just install, and then it will take you to your Google Play Store for you to download the app. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Okay, so after downloading the app, the next thing is to just to create your account. So you can check the description of this video. I have a video on how to create your Cash App account. It doesn't matter your location. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.